In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a contact inside of HoneyBook. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up HoneyBook like you usually would. Then from here you need to go over to the menu and click on leads and contacts. Then this page should be popping up where you can see all of your already existing contacts. And if you want to create a new one, you simply need to go up to add contact and click the contact option. Then this page is popping up where you can add a full name for the person, you can add in an email address, you can add a phone number if you want to do that, and a last interaction. You can also add the website for the company, an organization where you can either select one of your already existing contacts, and the job title. You can also go down here to add a project if you want to do that. Down here you can also add more details where you can add the status, where you can select either new connection, follow-up required, interacted, qualified or not relevant. You can also add a type for the client, either client, email subscriber, lead or past client. Down here you can also add a mailing address if you want to do that, and additional info which is only optional or visible to you. And when you're done, you simply need to click add. And as you can see up here, the contact has been added onto your list. And you can go up and check if you want. You can see right here the test person has been added. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!